Be honest. How long does it take to model, retopologize, bake, and texture AAA helmet like this? 3 days? A week? Stop wasting time on vertices. What if I told you this took 30 seconds on RunningHub? No notes, just ideas. Look at the details. The matte metallic finish. The realistic battle damage. The reflections on the visor. It's perfectly baked and isometric. Ready for your inventory UI. Need a completely different vibe? Let's try Cyberpunk. Pink carbon fiber, neon lights. Boom, look at that glow. It handles any hard surface style. Rusty Wasteland scrap, alien biotech, retro steampunk brass, heavy tank armor, or sleek nanosuits. Stop fighting with polygons. Start filling your asset library right now. The link to this workflow is down below.